Welcome guys, so today I am with the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 and I'm going to show you how you can use this function, find earphones, and the Huawei AI Live application. Okay, so at the first we have to be for sure connected with our earbuds and the Huawei AI Live application, and next we have to just select our earbuds from the list. So right now what we have to do, that's very simple. We have to scroll down and then tap on this icon, find earphones. And for example, I am on my home, I'm sitting in my room and I just lost the right one when I was, for example, going to the bathroom, and the right one was on my bed and it just disappeared in some kind of the way. So I try to find it. I tap on the ring headset, the right headset ringing, click play. I don't know if you can hear that sound. Yeah, I think that you can hear it right now, but honestly it's not like very loud. But you can definitely hear that sound. I'm gonna put it a little bit closer to the microphone. And when you put it back to your case, it will not stop playing, so you have to make it manually. And that's how you can use this feature. Of course, when you lose them on, for example, in the gym, it will be definitely harder to find it, because the gym is not like a very calm place. That's actually a loud place, and this kind of the ringing notification, I don't know if you can hear it in this kind of the place, you know what I mean. But yeah, when you are in your home, in your room, you will be probably able to find it by using this find earphones features. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.